Hi, sweetie. Hi.
Looky here.
Are we gonna catch your first bite of real food on camera, Bubba?
Mado's first solid food. Rice
Oh.
cereal.
Your mommy needs some practice. What do you think? Hi.
You like it, buddy?
He looks like he likes it.
Hey, Mikey. He likes it.
What do you think?
Oh, it should be, hey, Milo. He likes it.
What do you think, bud? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Look, look, look.
I wasn't sure if I liked that, Molly.
Look at his face.
I wasn't sure if I liked that.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to
See,
do with
that's
that?
good stuff.
What am I supposed
You
to
said
do
good.
with it? What do I do with it? What do I
Alright,
do with it?
are you ready? Let's get one more bite. Is that good? Yeah. It's good. That's why you keep shoving that in my mouth. Yum.
Spitting it out. Yummy. Yum.
Oh, I think that was below your tongue. Sorry. You're so cute.
That's right. Give me more. Give me more. Okay, one more bite.
One more bite.
Say hello, everybody. My first real cereal experience. Say hello, everybody.
Milo. Milo. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Can't get that in there. What do you think? Is that good stuff? Say no.
Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye, Bubba.